Um, Hi, I'm Luna. I just started. I'm thinking about doing gaming videos, but I think I'm just gonna do vlogs with my friend Bella. So, I'm really nervous. Now, I know nobody will probably watch this, so, hi people. I'm Luna Knights. I'm gonna call you my stars, because you guys are stars shining in the sky. Wow, that's cheesy. Anyway, I have a lot of interests. I do like YouTube a lot. I watch PewDiePie, Markiplier, Yami Mash, Tobuscus, Smosh. I watch a couple others, but it's gonna take me a long time to name them all. But anyway, bye my stars.